Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Dermalogica's Intensive Moisture Balance. Following on from the Skin Smoothing Cream, Dermalogica have also enhanced the performance of their Intensive Moisture Balance. The new Intensive Moisture Balance is for a true dry skin that lacks oil, feels rough, shows signs of flaking, tightness and itching, can be irritated, and the skin that looks dull. So all these things can be triggered by a few things, such as aging, genetics, and external factors like the environment and incorrect skin care. Importantly, these factors deplete the skin's natural lipids, therefore weakening the skin's barrier. Lipids are the skin's natural fat. It maintains the skin's protective barrier, which holds in moisture, therefore protects the skin from any damage. So lipids are the key to keeping your skin hydrating and looking really healthy. So Dermalogica have added a new key ingredient to their Intensive Moisture Balance. It's called the Replenish Complex. So what this does initially, it mimics the skin's natural oil in the skin and helps to repair the skin barrier. So along with the help of a hyaluronic acid combined with a great ingredient called echinacea, it will lock in moisture and help diminish any of your wrinkles. Intensive Moisture Balance is great for a true skin needing oil, sun-damaged skin, and any skins concerned with aging. You can use Moisture Balance in the morning and at night after cleansing and toning, and apply all over your face and neck in upward movements. Just a little tip, avoid cleansing your skin with hot water. This can further damage your lipid barrier and dry out your skin even further. And always remember to apply your sunscreen over the top in your morning application to limit your UV damage. So if you would like to purchase the Intensive Moisture Balance or to grab yourself a free sample, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au. See you next time.